Any new problems?
No.
Okay. All right. Now, do you want me to get all this nail polish off with the sander?
Oh, that'd be fine.
That's a yes?
Yes.
Okay. I was watching some comic, a Midwest guy,
Mm-hmm.
on probably TikTok or something, and they were doing how to speak Minnesotan or
Uh-oh.
Midwest. And it was like, yeah, no means
Yeah,
no, or no, yeah.
Yeah.
The people say that a lot. Yeah, no. That's why I just had to clarify. You heading anywhere this winter?
No, not. Just trying to. Actually, I'm trying to cut back on the hours I work.
Oh.
Back.
Oh. So cold weather makes your back hurt?
Yes.
That's interesting.
Well, I broke it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Which where the
Back in
fractures are.
2022, yeah. So, especially where the fractures are, it's like. Doesn't like this.
So you moving to Texas anytime soon?
I came from there.
Oh. How long did you live there?
I lived there about 15 years.
Oh, okay. Whereabouts?
Both Dallas and Austin.
Okay. Was it a job that brought you there?
No, well, yeah, a job got me there, and then crazy love brought me back here.
Ah, okay.
And as far as that goes, I wish I would have stayed there.
Yeah. It's always some guy
Yeah.
or some girl. All right, so let's get these smoothed out and we'll get the nail polish off, and hopefully I won't leave a little teeny piece that's like when the teacher used to erase the blackboard and left
And just leave that
one
one little chalk mark.
Yes.
Yeah.
that drives everybody crazy. I know. I'm going really light on you. 'Cause I know you're very sensitive.
The wonder nail. I said the wonder nail.
Yeah. Just a teeny little piece here. It'll drive everybody crazy who's watching the video. Right there. Good. Let's just clean this off a little.
Well, the next time I have a day off, I can go get a manicure, pedicure.
There you go. Do you have a place that you always go to?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So I have a patient who just opened up her own manicure pedicure salon.
Oh,
I'm just trying to help her out.
where's she located?
Plymouth.
Oh,
I'll give you her card.
yeah.
Okay. Let's get some lotion on and then I'll take care of the bottom. Well, thank you for letting us do the video.
No problem. Yep, I scraped it.
All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.